Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using two of these mini wooden pallets from Dollar Tree. I paint them almost completely with English Navy acrylic paint. The only parts I did not paint were the sections that will be glued together. Next I'm taking two different size stars that I got from Temu, and I'll be painting the larger ones with the English Navy and then the smaller ones with white acrylic paint. The blue ones, I do paint them front and back. The white ones will just be painted on the front and sides. Once they're completely dry, I take the white stars and line them up on one of the pallets on the front side of it to get my spacing and to make sure it stays in a circle. I just use this plastic cup I tape down to the center of the pallet, and then I use tacky glue and brush it on the back of each of the stars and place them down right against the cup. After they're all placed down, I just use my heat tool to make sure they're fully adhered. I then take hot glue and glue the two pallets together. Next, I'm taking some green floral wire and cutting 4 little strips of it, and then I hot glue that wire to one side of the blue stars. And the last thing I do is place in some florals that I had cut down. These were from Walmart. And then I also place in those blue stars. That is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.